Number 1.
1976 Ford Ranger, price $8,000. It has traveled 82,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior complemented by a black interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck presents a classic appearance while benefiting from a number of recent updates that improve both its comfort and overall condition. The interior has been extensively refreshed with a new steering wheel, new carpet, new seat covers, new dash pad, new headliner, and new sun visors, giving the cabin a clean and well-maintained look. In addition, it has been fitted with new wiper blades and a set of brand new Cooper Cobra tires with fewer than 50 miles of use.
To ensure dependable performance, the truck has also received fresh spark plugs and a recent oil change completed just over 50 miles ago. Number 2.
1998 Chevrolet S10, price $6,900, well-maintained pickup powered by a reliable 4.3 LV6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and a capable 4WD drivetrain. It has only 110,000 original miles and features a blue exterior complemented by a black interior, making it a clean and attractive example of this increasingly hard-to-find model. The truck runs and drives excellently, with everything functioning exactly as it should. Both the body and frame are in great condition, reflecting the care it has received over the years. It also comes equipped with a set of great tires, a clean title, and is ready to be driven anywhere. Finding a 1998 Chevrolet S10 with low original mileage, a solid body and frame, and such a well-preserved overall condition is becoming increasingly rare, making this an excellent option for anyone looking for a dependable classic compact pickup.
Number 3.
2000 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,500. It has 116,000 original miles, an automatic transmission, and is powered by a reliable 5.9L Magnum gasoline engine. It features a red exterior paired with a gray interior and has been well maintained throughout its life. The truck comes with a clean title in hand, is registered through November 2026, and successfully passed its smog inspection on June 15, 2026.
It is a two-wheel drive model and includes documented service records verifying its original mileage.
Both the exterior and interior are in excellent condition with only minimal cosmetic wear. It sits on fuel wheels wrapped in aggressive 33-inch Mickey Thompson Baja MTZ tires, giving it a rugged appearance. The air conditioning, heater, lights, power seats, and all other factory features are fully functional. The truck is also pre-wired for an audio system, although the previous sound system has been removed, while the aftermarket stereo remains installed and in working condition.
Number 4.
1973 Chevrolet C20, price $10,000. This truck has had just one owner since new and has spent its entire life in California, where it still proudly retains its original blue California license plates, a testament to its well-preserved history. Showing 181,000 miles, this classic pickup is powered by a dependable 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering smooth performance and effortless cruising. It is also equipped with power steering, making it comfortable and easy to drive despite its classic truck proportions. Finished in an attractive green exterior with an interior ready for its next owner, the truck presents as a very solid example from top to bottom. The body is notably straight, reflecting the care it has received over the years and its California heritage. It runs and drives very well, providing the reliability and character expected from a classic Chevrolet pickup.
Number 5.
2001 Ford Ranger, price $5,500. This truck is equipped with a dependable 2.5L four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a practical balance of reliability and fuel efficiency. The truck has 232,000 miles on the odometer and features a clean silver exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. According to the previous owner, the vehicle has received several recent maintenance upgrades, including brand new brakes, brand new shocks on all four corners, and new sway bar links. These improvements help provide a smoother ride, better handling, and increased driving confidence.
The truck starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives well with no known mechanical issues. Number 6.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,995. This truck is powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine and has approximately 293,000 miles. According to the owner, the truck runs and shifts well, while both the air conditioning and heater are in good working condition. It has already been fitted with a C-notch, allowing for additional lowering if desired. The truck rides on 20-inch torque thrust wheels wrapped in good condition tires, and the interior is reported to be clean and well kept.
It also comes with a clean Alabama title that is ready for transfer. Overall, this OBS Chevy is presented as a solid running pickup with tasteful modifications and a clean appearance, making it a great option for someone looking for a dependable street truck or a custom project with the major suspension work already completed. Number 7. 1997 Ford F250, price $5,000, powered by the legendary 7.5L gasoline engine and has 281,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and features a red exterior paired with a gray interior. It has been upgraded with brand new 35-inch mud tires, a new TPS sensor, and a fresh oil change. The interior has also been modernized with a flip-up Android Auto and Apple CarPlay head unit, along with new door speakers for improved audio quality. Additional features include a brush guard, headache rack, toolbox, bed rails, and LED taillights. The truck comes with a clean Tennessee title. The owner is being transparent about a few known issues. There is a small oil leak that appears to be coming from the oil pan gasket area, although it has not yet been confirmed. The rear differential/pinion seal has a minor seep, and the steering has a slight amount of play. New steering bushings are included and may be installed if time allows. Number 8. 1992 Chevrolet S10, price $7,500. It has approximately 200,000 miles on the odometer and is finished in a red exterior with a matching red interior. It is equipped with a 2.8L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has received numerous mechanical and suspension upgrades. The steering components have been rebuilt, and a 2/4 Beltec drop kit with Beltec drop shocks has been installed to improve both handling and stance. It rides on 18-inch staggered offset American racing wheels wrapped in Toyo tires. The clutch has been replaced with an aftermarket unit that has approximately 500 miles of use. The braking system has also been upgraded with new drilled and slotted brake rotors and brake pads. In addition, the fuel system has been rebuilt with a new fuel pump, fuel filter, fuel tank, and fuel injectors along with new gaskets. Number 9. 1997 Ford F250, price $3,000. It has 170,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a reliable automatic transmission. Finished in a classic red exterior with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has been exceptionally well maintained and was previously part of a professionally managed fleet. The truck runs and drives like a brand new vehicle. It comes with a fiberglass lockable topper, making it an excellent choice for both work and secure cargo storage. One of its biggest highlights is the rebuilt transmission, which has only 7,000 miles of use and is backed by a 3-year warranty. The transmission replacement alone cost $2,700, providing added peace of mind for the next owner. It is also fitted with a brand new set of tires featuring excellent tread, offering outstanding traction and making it well suited for carrying heavy loads without getting stuck. Number 10. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,000, powered by a reliable 5.7L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and has a clean title. It has 110,000 original miles on the odometer and is finished in blue exterior paint with a tan interior. The truck starts easily, runs smoothly, and its 4x4 system operates properly. The previous owner used it primarily as a winter vehicle for commuting, and it has been fitted with brand new tires, new shock mounts, and new shocks. The frame and underbody remain solid with no significant rust, making it a strong example for its age. Cosmetically, the paint has faded over time and there are a few minor dents consistent with normal use. However, the interior has been exceptionally well maintained and remains in excellent condition for a vehicle of this age.